The Caribbean monk seal is an extinct species that was native to the Gulf of Mexico and the Caribbean Sea. The last confirmed sighting was in 1952, and it was officially declared extinct in 2008 after extensive searches found no evidence of its survival. Its extinction is attributed to human activities, primarily hunting for its oil and loss of habitat. Characteristics and habitat. Appearance. They were brownish or grayish seals with a lighter underside. Range. Their habitat included the Gulf of Mexico, the Caribbean Sea, the Florida Keys, and the coasts of Central and South America. Behavior. They were social animals that often gathered in groups and were known to be gentle and curious, which made them vulnerable to humans. Extinction. Cause. The primary cause of extinction was human interference, specifically hunting for their blubber to extract oil for fuel and lubrication. Timeline. The last confirmed sighting was in 1952. The species was officially declared extinct by the IUCN in 1994 and by the U.S. government in 2008. Significance. The Caribbean monk seal is the only seal species to have gone extinct due to human causes.